Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and redeem an Apple gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your app store. Right over here, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon on top right corner of the screen, and now tap on this option of redeem gift card or code. So once you're here in this section, first thing that you can do is you can choose to use camera, so you can simply scan your code, right? Or you can simply cancel and tap on this enter code manually. Now go ahead, enter the particular code that will be on your gift card. Once you have tapped on it, tap on this redeem and you will be able to redeem that code. So if you would like to check out your balance after the redeem, you can go back, cancel it, and then you can go to your settings, and here in the section again tap on your profile on top. Here in this section you will be able to tap on this ID of yours. So you first of all you already have to enter your password for that, verify yourself, and then you will be able to see there in the amount section, balance section, you will be able to see the redeemed balance as well. So simply that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.